Hi guys, and there's a main wiring harness redundant connector. Following a few reports of error code on the display, the following procedure has been created to prevent corrosion on a redundant wiring harness connector. So showing the connector there, you can see it's got corroded. Corrosion on a redundant connector, and by the looks of it, it's under the seat by the trip switches. So this procedure is intended to be carried out on all UK supplied Miku superbikes. Sunra UK must be informed upon completion of this bulletin. Refer to page 3. This is what you get in the kit. You get a connector cover, or basically like a just clips into that, doesn't it? It's a cover basically that's been sealed up, and then you've got a 3M tape, which allows you to secure it to a part of the bike. So let's find that. Let's find it. There we go. That must be the kitty. Again, I've been lucky by the looks of it. Nice and clean. Be interesting to find out what that's for. It's probably for the for powering up the tracker, maybe. I don't know, or the alarm. Anyway, that's the cable. Yeah, it's got a blue, white wire. It's got a red wire and a black wire. So let's see what else it says here. It's basically plug it in and tape it up, isn't it? So let's have a look. Before starting work, ensure the bike is off with the keys in the off position. Turn both isolator switches to the off position located under the seat. Disconnect both batteries. Turn the key on position and ensure the system is fully discharged. Wait 5 seconds. Return it to the off position. And do this twice, because when I did the other part, I did see some residual energy in there on the second time I turned it on. So make sure that is off. You know, basically don't want you getting shocked while you plug in your little cable connector to this. It's quite dangerous, see. Anyway, gaining access, support the bike on the side stand and support work area. Remove the seat whilst turning the keys under the seat. Pull up and backwards to remove your seat. The harness connector is a white 3-pin variant located in the front of the isolators. It may be necessary to fish the harness from the inside to avoid between the battery box and the isolators. Confirm the connector is a red, a blue and black wires. But it is in fact actually a blue, white, as you can see there. Install the plug. Check the harness connector with no foreign material inside it. Remove the black plug from the kit and install it onto the connector. Well, I'll do that as long as it's not going to give me a massive shock. Right, okay. No, I shouldn't really muck about, should I? But anyway, there's your connector cover, and it's been glued up. So it's got some grease in there by the looks of it. I imagine, yeah, some grease. So this should really wear big rubber gloves and rubber boots and goggles and all that stuff, shouldn't I really? Anyway, so click that in. That went in really easy. So that's the first part done. Anyway, I then have to put the self-adhesive tape on the side of it, the flat side, there. And we need to stick it where? I don't want to stick it. I suppose I would want to stick it to this side, wouldn't I? It's the closest point. Don't really want it being pulled on any wiring, so. I mean, do I need to really stick it to something? Let's have a look where they want it stuck. Okay, well, that is that. So when it's stuck to the back, Mine isn't long enough to stick it to the back. I'm going to have to stick mine. I might stick mine. I shall stick it. It's not long enough. It's probably, yeah. So it's probably. Let's have a look. Let's have a look on the inside of here. There, so I'll zoom in a bit. So there's the plug there, and I've just managed to unwrap it from around there and I'll poke it through, or I can put it over the top. Like so, but it's still not long enough, no. So I'm going to stick it. I'm going to lift this up. I'm going to go underneath this blue one here. It's awkward with one hand, like so. In fact, I'm going to go around between, sorry, there's a red and orange wire there. Zoom out a bit, it's too close. So as you can see, I've come round the back and through here. On that, yeah, that's much better. So now the wire comes through there and I can stick it on the back here without stretching it, and then that wire can come back. So that's what we'll do. Okay. Excuse the mess in the garage. So there's my freehand pad. You've got nails, isn't it? I'm going to stick this to that plug, like so. Pull that off. Make sure it's not dirty. And I'm going to stick it. There. And the beauty of that is, hopefully any water that drips off of here, it's going to drip down the side here, and not onto that plug anyway. So there's my plug, stuck to the back of there. This isn't being interfered with, and that wire's not being pulled. So I'd say that's a good job. Lovely. Look, fuse cover's not on properly. Look at that. Let's push that down. Right. I mean, while you're in there, guys, have a little check. Check all your bits and bobs. Make sure nothing's rubbing. And then check your fuses. Covers, I mean, are nice and closed off. That's it. Cool. And that's it. That is your connector cover plug. Like they say, I mean, they don't want you to get shocked. I mean, you can die doing this stuff, guys, so don't muck around with DC, high voltage DC, high amperage batteries. It's not worth it. But yeah, so that's that one done. Anyway, she'll post hopefully the PDF for this online, and this also says to notify Sunra UK of the procedure completion by email, warranty at Sunra UK.com, stating VIN, completion date, name of person who carried out the procedure. And as I said before, guys, with the other one, I mean, if you're not very good with tools or you're unsure, it's not worth it. Don't risk it. Just get somebody to do it for you. Or I'd imagine most of you are going to do this through the dealer, so you won't have to worry about this anyway. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to go and have my dinner. Hope you guys enjoy the forum. Any questions, please post online and we'll try and answer them. And that's it. Take care, guys, and see you later.